Where's your big brain? Yes, in your head, huh? Is your brain up there? No. It's up there. Whoa, you scared. Whoa, back to this game, huh? You love this game.
Oh my gosh, I hope she doesn't hurt her throat.
I know. Whoa, that was... Oh my gosh, my eardrums. Are you a dinosaur? A screeching Lola?
Whoa!
Look at you. Are you jumping? Jump. Are you such a good jumper? Jump.
I'm not sure what you're saying. Oh my gosh.
Screeching
Wow.
Lola. Whoa. And her face afterwards.
I know.
Like, it's the same thing.
Whoa. Oh my god.